Refrigeration system types and working principle. Refrigeration is referred to as a process in order to achieve and maintain a temperature below that of outer atmosphere with an aim to cool some product or space to the required temperature. One of the most important applications for which refrigeration system is used is the preservation of the perishable food products by storing them at a comparative lower temperature. Refrigeration systems are most commonly used for providing the thermal comfort to the human being so that the air conditioning can be utilized. Types of refrigeration system. 1. Mechanical compression refrigeration system. In this system, which is most widely used in the refrigeration cycle method due to its multiple applications like air conditioning, commercial and industrial refrigeration, etc. Once the heat is absorbed and released to the cooler is emitted, and the hot air is condensed back into liquid. 2. Evaporative cooling system. Evaporative cooling is quite different from the mechanical compression as it is traditional refrigeration cycle which has been followed for years. This was the technique which can cool the warmer outdoor air as well by the help of water-soaked pads by blowing it over your home or the required area. The water-soaked pads work in the way that the water absorbs the heat from the air and evaporates once the cooler air is floated into the area, after which the warm air is directed out of it. 3. Absorption refrigeration system. It is a system in which the heat is also transferred by the process of compression and expansion refrigerant, which is found to be quite similar to the mechanical compression. 4. Thermoelectric refrigeration system. Thermoelectric refrigeration system is the system which works by using the Peltier effect in order to create a heat flux within the junctions of two different types of materials. 5. Artificial refrigeration. This was the working principle on which the refrigeration system was further classified as vapor compression systems, vapor absorption systems, gas cycle systems, etc. 6. Vapor compression refrigeration system. Vapor compression refrigeration system works on a cycle which is an improved type of air refrigeration cycle found suitable for working substance which is termed as refrigerant. The commonly used refrigerants for this purpose are ammonia, NH3, carbon dioxide, CO2, and sulfur dioxide, SO2. The refrigerant which is used is found not leaving the system, whereas is circulated throughout the system, alternately condensing and evaporating. In the condensing process, it is found giving out the latent heat to the circulating water of the cooler. The vapor compression cycle, which is also used in the vapor compression refrigeration system, is nowadays widely used for all-purpose refrigeration. Most commonly it is used for all industrial purposes, from a small domestic refrigerator to a big air conditioning plant. 7. Vapor absorption refrigeration system. The vapor absorption refrigeration system is referred to as a system which is heat operated and is quite similar to the vapor compression system. The best part about both the refrigeration systems is that there are evaporators and condensers present in them. It should be noted that the process of evaporation and condensation of the refrigerant takes place at two different pressure levels in order to achieve refrigeration in both the cases. 8. Solar energy-based refrigeration systems. There are various attempts being made to run the vapor absorption systems by the usage of solar energy by concentrating in flat-plate solar collectors. Simultaneously, there were several small solar absorption refrigeration systems which was made in the year 1950 in various countries. A solar refrigeration system is found to produce around 250 kilograms of ice per day, which was first installed in Tashkent, USSR in the year 1953. 9. Gas cycle refrigeration system. As the vapors are used for the cooling purpose in the vapor compression cycle and vapor absorption cycle, the gas is similarly used for the purpose of cooling Steam jet refrigeration system. The steam jet refrigeration works on the principle of boiling the water under 100 degrees centigrade. If the pressure on the surface of the water is found to be reduced below atmospheric pressure, then the water can be made to boil at the lower temperatures as well. 11. Vortex tube refrigeration system. Vortex tube system is referred to as a non-conventional type of refrigerating systems which is used for the purpose of refrigeration. This mechanical device is found having no moving part and usually consists of a circular tube with nozzles and throttle valve. High-pressure gases enters in through the vortex tube tangentially through the nozzles, which increases the angular velocity and therefore is responsible for the production of a swirl effect. The gas which is found ever closer to the axis has a lower temperature that comes out through the hot exit. Thanks for watching.